Wow, that box looks good. Throttle body. Radiator. Fuel rails up in here. Doesn't come assembled or with instructions, but it's pretty straightforward. You got 3L brackets on each side. They'll go in like this. They have their own Allen bolts. And then these Allen with lock nuts will mount the rails. And the throttle body was 4 bolts. Oh, what else came with it was some gaskets and fittings for the fuel rails. Gaskets for the runners. Got all 6 brackets in place. The rails are bolted on. For now, we'll put the crossover across the back, like the box shows. Okay, you got the 8 for the runners, and then this one here's for the throttle body. I'm gonna pull back off and stick inside. Yeah. That's where this goes. All right, then just press right in. Got 4 ports on the bottom where these fittings will go. Completely assembled. Throttle body didn't come with it. Came with fuel rails. There's a little port back here for the map sensor. I'll go ahead and put that in the front. As of now, I plan on routing the feed to this side and go through and then return on this side. It goes back to the tank.